Have you ever wondered what capital really is? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Imagine capital as a seed. Yes, a tiny, dormant seed. When you plant this seed, nurture it with care, it sprouts, grows into a robust tree, and blesses you with fruits year after year. Similarly, capital is a resource, a starting point, that when utilized wisely, generates wealth continuously. It's like the invisible powerhouse behind all wealth creation. So think of capital as that seed, the starting point of all wealth generation. Many people confuse capital with money, but is that all there is to it? No, not at all. Picture a man named Bob. Bob has loads of money, enough to fill a swimming pool. That's financial capital. But poor Bob can't swim. He lacks friends to float with, and his pool is filled with junk. He's short on human, social, and natural capital. You see, capital is not just about the money in your wallet. It's a much broader and deeper concept. Remember, capital isn't just about the money in your bank account. It's much more than that. Now that you know what capital is, you might be wondering, why does it matter? Picture a quaint little town, flourishing with activity. It wasn't always this vibrant. The transformation began when a local entrepreneur invested her savings, human capital in the form of skills, and social capital of trust and relationships. This capital cocktail sparked economic growth, created jobs, and attracted further investments. As you can see, capital in all its forms is the lifeblood of any economy. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Capital is the invisible powerhouse that drives our economy. It's not just about money, but about the wealth-generating resources that fuel economic growth. We've seen how it comes in various forms, whether it's a hard-earned savings account, a fleet of delivery trucks, or a patent on a groundbreaking invention. Each form of capital plays a unique role in fostering prosperity. Next time someone mentions the word capital, you'll know it's not just about the money. It's the seed that can grow into a wealth-generating tree.